All right. Hope everybody's doing well, getting out and doing what you enjoy. I wanted to go over Cardano real fast. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying Cardano to the moon, but there's a lot of confluence showing that the momentum likely is shifting for Cardano. We're just looking at the data. We're not watching the news, nothing like that. So this is the percent market dominance that ADA has over the entire digital asset space. So, it's 1.65% right now. Um, you can see, this right here is a reversal pattern. We have this huge macro cup, and then here's the handle we're forming now. And it looks like, if we drew a trend line down here, it looks like we're starting to break out of it, and we tested support. I guess I'll just do it so it's a little more clear. So we're breaking out of it, this cup and handle. And I'll just redraw that like this. So we've broken out, and we came back. We're breaking out from the bottom of our cup and handle channel. At the same time, it's the neckline of this macro cup and or inverse head and shoulders, which is another reversal pattern. We have this left shoulder. This is the head, and there's the right shoulder. We broke the neckline, confirmed support, and started our uptrend and dominance. ADA started taking market dominance. And we hit our target. So this is we fell this much. We have the inverse. We hit the target, almost exact what this type of chart pattern would call for. And then we retraced right back to the neckline. So that's what a chart pattern trader would be looking at. I'm not saying I'm trading this or anybody should, but I'm just showing you some data, which just looks pretty bullish to me. I mean, you could argue that as we're forming this support, like we have the right shoulder here, the head, and then or the left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder. So if we break this neckline, then it looks like we might be able to test back up to likely this 2.9%. So here's the left head, right shoulder. Let's see. It's looking like we could be reversing. It's not like I'm saying it's going to be immediate. This could take time. It's on bigger time frames. It could take time to play out. It's Cardano to USDT, which is a stable coin. It's on Bittrex. It has the most data I can find. But just looking at the price action, this is what you want to see in a market bottom, the last bear market. We had this W bottom, and Cardano just went insane. And it wasn't even ready to really provide much utility yet. So, what am I saying here? So yeah, that's on the weekly. It's looking like it's holding pretty good structure there, but we're getting momentum back in. We're breaking out of this long downtrend in the RSI. And we've had a MACD cross up, and the last couple crosses have been pretty large moves after they've happened. As you can see here and here, and if you go back, it's kind of small here, but crossed up here for this move. You had the bears cross, and then the cross before the large mania crazy run is right here. Cardano Bitcoin, similar thing to market dominance. So we have this cup and handle here. We have the head and shoulders forming in the macro time frame, and we tested back to the neckline, and now we're forming this like head and shoulders here on the smaller picture. This is over several weeks, and this is over several weeks, but not nearly as many weeks as this. So, our target could be back up to here, this level. So this is Cardano in Bitcoin value divided by Bitcoin. We have momentum coming down, so we could lose a little momentum compared to Bitcoin, but overall it looks like macro reversal, so momentum will shift back to give ADA more power over the dollar, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, while growing its dominance over the entire digital asset space. But Ethereum, you see, it just oscillates really. So you got people trading between, when they're holding F and it pumps real hard, then they go and they take that F power and put it in Cardano or Bitcoin, whatever. But last time we were really down below the 20 level here, this white line in the stochastic. This is the momentum again. And we had a cross up and confirmed above that white line. That's confirmation that momentum is shifting. And we had this nice move here. And then momentum had to cool off a little bit. But it looks like we're about to cross back above. Same thing back here. We're down below the 20 for a long period. We have the stochastic momentum coming back in the market. It's confirmed when it pops above that 20 level, this white line. We had a nice pump here of Cardano gaining value to Ethereum. And then we had that cross down, momentum shifted out. And the next cross up was the big move. And we came all the way back up to test the top of this channel that it's kind of been forming since the beginning. So we want to see this cross above and maybe come back up for now and test 0.00052 Ethereum to 1 Cardano. All right, that's pretty much it. I hope everybody has a good weekend. Take care of yourselves and get outside, do what you love.